I should be saying that I am excited to be leading all of you.
Not them.
I am excited to be leading all of you
Yeah.
or the SDAR Gavel Club members of 2020 to greater heights.
Oh,
To a
right.
better future of SDAR Gavel Club. I am but a human, a single human.
Yes.
I believe I have my flaws. So I hope my vice presidents, my other executive committee members can help me in covering up my flaws in order to achieve what we have not achieved this year. There are many things out there. The world is wide. Therefore, I believe that the SDAR Gavel Club can reach even further. Maybe even develop our own country. Who knows? The limitations are endless. Limitations are endless. We can achieve anything we want. We just need the effort, the imagination, and also prayers and blessings from God. Once again, thank you for electing me as president. I will not let you down. I will do my best to serve all of you in my 1 year as the president of the Gavel Club. Once again, we have the triangle. We have Hitler. We have many controversial topics out there, and I will support each and every one of them. Okay.